So we're gonna be working on the motor for a little bit on a couple videos here. One thing we noticed is where the push rods go, they have this in the way. So we actually have to trim a little bit of this off of here just for the push rods. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I have it marked out where I need to trim. Now I'm gonna go ahead and trim it and make sure it fits perfect on here. Let's go. All right, so I wanted to point this out. On this kind of application, we use a copper head gasket, and then they use this little ring here to seal the head gasket up. The head gasket is a little tacky already, so we don't really mess with spraying them. Sometimes we'll spray them if we're reusing them, but these are brand new, so we're just gonna, we cleaned them off, and yeah, let's get them on. All right, so after we had to modify the head gasket to work, don't change anything too much.
Love broken and falling, damned old soul's been sent to burn. Nowadays they've been calling, telling me soon gonna be my turn. Head down, walk with reason, know that when the daylight dies, gonna have to face my demons. Life of sin, a life of lies. The devil's gonna come when the sun goes down. The devil's gonna come when the sun goes down. Gonna lay by the river, gonna rest my eyes, 'cause I know this time tomorrow there ain't gonna be blue skies. I walk a lonely mile, so many years I roam. I'm sinking slowly, so low. Lord, won't you take me home? The devil's gonna come when the sun goes down. The devil's gonna come when the sun goes down. A shallow grave by the riverside, marked off with a granite stone, and the day I die, let down for no good reason.
All right, so as you seen, we had a little issue with putting the head on. We had to helicoil one of the head stud bolts on the passenger side head. It's not uncommon. It is an aluminum block, so it does happen quite a bit, more than what people would think. But yeah, we're starting to set the lifters in. The kind of big boys. Put some assembly loom on them. Got them set down into place. And then I was just testing the push rods, but we'll wait to put the push rods on when we go to put all the valve train assembly together. So, all right, now we're gonna get the intake manifold thrown on it, and yeah.
Nowadays they've been calling, telling me soon gonna be my turn. Head down, walk with reason, know that when the daylight dies, gonna have to face my demons. Life of sin, a life of life.
about to turn it on. Turn it